Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the oil filter adapter gasket on a Ford F150. Start by warming the engine briefly, then disconnect the battery and drain coolant as needed to prevent spills. Raise the truck and support it securely, remove the oil filter and adapter bolts, inspect mating surfaces, clean thoroughly, replace gasket and O-ring, torque bolts to factory specs, refill oil and coolant, and check for leaks while running the engine. Tools and parts you need are simple and affordable. Gather a new oil filter adapter gasket and O-ring matched to your F150 engine, a quality oil filter, fresh oil, and coolant. Bring a socket set with 10 mm and 13 mm sockets and a torque wrench, plus drain pans, rags, gloves, and a gasket scraper. Having the right tools speeds the job and prevents damage to sealing surfaces while you work carefully. Follow a clear, methodical sequence for best results. Warm the engine briefly, disconnect the battery, and drain coolant if the adapter is in the coolant path. Remove the oil filter, then unbolt the adapter carefully, keeping track of bolts and orientation. Clean all mating surfaces with a scraper and solvent, install the new gasket and O-ring, torque bolts to factory specs, refill fluids, and run the engine while checking for leaks and proper oil pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.